Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another interesting video. I will show you how to grow red bell peppers at home, which is Capsicum annum. Red bell pepper is of the same type as that of green capsicum, but they are just at the different stages of ripeness. Green peppers are unripe and red are fully ripe, and yellow bell pepper and orange bell pepper are in between. So first we need to collect the seeds from the red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are packed with nutrition than the other peppers. They have 11 times more beta carotene and 1.5 times more vitamin C. They are also rich in vitamin B6, vitamin K1, folate, potassium, calcium, iron and vitamin A. So after collecting the seeds, we need a box like this which is perforated. I am using coco peat for germination of the seeds, as this is a great medium for germination. Even you can make this at home. I have given the link in the description box below. So make a small layer of coco peat in the box and spread the seeds over the coco peat. Spread it evenly. Germinating red bell peppers from the seeds is comparatively more easier than the green bell peppers, as the red bell peppers are the mature fruit of the plant and obviously the seeds are also mature. I have uploaded a video how to germinate seeds of green bell peppers and I have shared my secrets. Please watch the video. I have given the link in the description box below. So now spread a thin layer of coco peat on the seeds. For this, you can follow a thumb rule that whatever the size or the length of the seed is, just put that height of coco peat or soil over the seeds. Now spread water and make sure that the coco peat remains moist all the time, otherwise the germination will be hampered. I will cover this box and I have perforated the cover of the box. This will maintain the moisture and temperature inside the box. This is the third day and I can see some germinations. Let's see. I had sprayed water every day to maintain the moisture in the coco peat. You can see little sprouts are visible. I'm very excited. So in just 3 days germinations occurred. So I'm spraying water again and I will keep this in a bright shade. A warm moist condition is helpful for germination in this case. This is the 5th day and you can see green leaves from outside. See, many more successful germinations. It looks so nice. Success rate of germination in case of red bell peppers is much more than the green ones. So I'll again spray water. I do this every day and I'll cover this and keep this in the bright shade again. So you can see the seedlings are growing. This is on the 9th day and the seedlings have grown a little bit more. I thought of planting one of these into a big planter. I am taking a plastic pot for this and I have made holes at the bottom. Now I will prepare the potting mixture. I have taken garden soil, coco peat and vermicompost. I will mix all of these three. You can also add bone dust or neem cake or even garden compost. I will add those organic fertilizers when the plants will be growing. I will be making a part 2 video for this, but I will show you the growing plant, its tips and care, the fertilization, and I will update till the flowering and the fruiting stage. Now let's choose a healthy plant. You can see the roots have grown so much. Since I have told you that coco peat is a good medium for germination and it greatly helps for root formation also. I will pot the other baby plants in separate planters. You can even wait for 15 to 20 days for the baby plants to grow a few more. I have repotted a few baby plants into a separate box so that they can grow a little bit more and then I'll place them in a different planter. So I'll keep all these in a bright shade and I will expose the planted one in sunlight after a few days of planting. I will grow the bell peppers organically, so you can also make your own bell peppers at home very easily. So I'll have to wait for the flowering and the fruiting stage. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and please give a like and also share the video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.